Hey, it's Kelly with Glass Tiger Window Tinting. I'm the general manager here. I've been here for over 5 years, assisting in installations as well as overseeing the day-to-day operations. We specialize in window tint, paint protection film, as well as detailing, paint restoration, and ceramic coatings. Behind me here, we have Stefan's S4 Audi. Last time he was here, we installed the LLumar CTX ceramic film for the sides and back. This time he came back to have the LLumar AIR80 installed on the full windshield to block the heat, UV, and reduce the glare without affecting his visibility at night. Definitely one of our highest performing products, blocking 86% of the infrared heat from coming through the glass, as well as giving 99.9% or more UV protection. If you're in the metro Atlanta area and you want someone to take care of you and your vehicle, give us a call or check us out online. We're the top rated shop in the state on Google and Yelp and have won Best of Gwinnett the last 5 years in a row. We carry and install professional grade LLumar films and hold ourselves to the highest standards.